channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, because you sure will want to do later, so you might as well just get over and done and do it now. Today's video, I'll be straightening my hair. I currently have Olaplex in my hair. I usually like to put Olaplex just before I straighten my hair, just because it gives me a little bit of, you know, care and treatment just before I go and straighten my hair. I usually also do it after, so I have to literally go and remove this because it's more than time now, and then I'm going to show you guys everything I use in order to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this and I'll be right back. I had Olaplex number 3. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, but that's literally what I had in my hair. So my hair has literally nothing right now in it, so it's literally just water, no product, nothing. It feels so soft. I literally love Olaplex so much. It makes my hair feel so like fluffy, so like nice and soft. I love it. But anyway, that's besides the point. You didn't come here for Olaplex review, did you? Right before I straighten my hair, the products I use are Silk Infusion. I've used this for years. This I think is my second bottle, and this has only like 59 milliliters. Is very small, but I don't straighten my hair often. Like I probably straighten my hair every 3-4 months. Like the last time I straightened my hair was like a month ago, I'd say, but I hadn't straightened before that for like a year. So this is really good. I do put it sometimes even if I don't straighten my hair, but most of the time when I straighten my hair, it's such a good oil. It doesn't leave your hair greasy or anything. I absolutely love it. It's a bit expensive, but it's totally worth it, and it lasts you guys so long. Literally, it lasts so long. The second main thing I use is a Tresemme heat protector. I swear by this heat protector. I swear by this heat protector. I've used it for so many years. I think this is literally the only heat protector I've used, I think. I absolutely love it, and I strongly recommend this, to be honest, because I cannot straighten my hair without this. This is just my go-to at all times, you know. So I strongly recommend you guys, if you do straighten your hair very often, or even if you like need some heat protector once in a while, it's good to just, you know, apply because of the actual heat from outside, and it has like this look. I just absolutely love it. It lasts me forever. I absolutely love it. I buy this over and over again, and it's so cheap as well. So yeah, that's what we want, right? And yeah, that is what the two things I use at the beginning to start by straightening my hair. And to straighten my hair, I'm going to, okay guys, to straighten my hair, I'm going to be using this Revlon brush, I guess, like a blow dryer. And then to straighten my hair, I'm going to be using this Babyliss one. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. He's literally like sleeping and he snores. So he's a Frenchie, so they snore. So you're gonna have him snoring throughout the whole video. But yeah, so I'm gonna start by separating my hair. It's like literally dry already. So this is good because then the hair won't be like super wet or anything when you like blow dry it. So I'm just gonna have those sections and just keep taking like sections as I go. Okay, so I'm gonna use the oil, just like a drop, like barely anything. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, just that. And then just especially like at the ends, just because that's like the driest bit of my hair right now. There. And then I'm going to spray it on a little bit of this heat protector on it. And this smells so good as well, guys. Like, can you just tell like that I love this? Okay, so that's enough. So I'm gonna divide this now into 2 sections and then just go with this. So I'm gonna turn it in the highest heat and then just go for it so you guys can't see, you know. Maybe plug it in first. much. It's crazy. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm just so shocked how much my hair has grown. Wow, crazy. This is so crazy. But yeah guys, this is literally what I do, and I'm just gonna go over my heads with the same technique. So the oil, what is it called, heat protector. So I'm gonna go with the oil, the heat protector, and then blow dry. So I'm gonna do that without through my whole head, and then I'll come back to you guys once it's really hurt. Fuck. Feels like I just love this oil because it doesn't leave your hair greasy or anything, and it makes it so much easier to like blow dry. It's very like soft, make sure it's super soft, and it doesn't give you that grease, because if you have curly hair, you know, like your hair is either, if you straighten it, either gets, in a few days it gets so greasy, so you literally have to wash it straight away, or it just gets so oily and it just looks awful. Now I'm gonna go over with straightening my hair with the straighteners, of course. So yeah, I just can't get over how long my hair is right now, and I had my hair's like in layers, so it looks a bit weird once I have it straightened, but we'll see how it looks now that it has grown a bit. But I'll literally have my hair into like small sections, like that, and then like to straighten your hair is good if you have like thin comb. So I think I'm gonna use this one, so you like can brush it through and actually just grab every section. I have my Babyliss straighteners in like the highest setting, so I'll literally, I'm just gonna do it and you guys just gonna like go through with me, you see. So literally you brush, especially here at the end, because if you brush it, it like makes it straight, super like sleek, you see. So you don't even have to go through it loads of times, but the more you do it, just grab all the little hairs, the more you do it, the sleeker it gets, you see. So that's literally what we have to do throughout the whole hair. My main issue is literally the ends, but I don't want to, you know, overdo it. So now you do the exact same to the other side. Sometimes you can just like, you know, just take a little longer instead of like going super fast. You can just take a little longer and that will make it. It's done. a lot of times. I usually go more on at the ends and right at the top, this way, where you get the curly sections, and then it's done, you see? So that's literally all you do. Once I finish straightening my hair, I love this product. It's a shine tonic thing, and it's meant to like smooth and put your hair shiny. It's for dry and sensitive stressed hair, so this helps to like all the flyaways and stuff to get together. So I'll literally just spray loads of this. Guys, I swear by this. This literally does not allow my head to get frizzy. I love it so much. I've been using that for literally years and I absolutely love it. Like, I buy it over and over again. So yeah guys, this is the end result of my hair. I just love how straight it is. You can literally do it at home. Guys, all the products I use, they're not sponsored or anything. I swear by them so much. I absolutely love the oil. I absolutely love the I keep forgetting the heat protective spray, and also the other spray I have. Literally those three combined together, and it's straight exactly how I explained to you. You'll get this result, trust me. I love it. You might even get something better than what I got. Like, you can see like my ends are like definitely not, you know, cut properly and stuff, because obviously my hair is usually curly and I cut my hair when it's curly. But I absolutely love it, guys. It looks so good. You can literally get these results as well if you follow exactly what I did. If you get these products as well, they'll literally help. And this is not sponsored or anything. I purchase every single product by myself with my own money. So, and they're good and they're really cheap. The other two are really cheap. Only the oil is a little bit more expensive. I'll leave everything linked down below in case you guys do want to have it or have a look and see. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch all the way here, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. I'll definitely be showing you guys how I will transit from straight to curly as well, so you guys can see. I've done this video before, but I want to do like an updated one so you guys can see what I do now, because nobody's trying to get their hair damaged, you know. So yeah, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. That really helps me out. And also make sure you follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm now creating a new theme there, so it's like new content and different things gonna come over there. I'm pretty excited for that, so definitely go ahead and follow me there. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.